Hello, it's Dr. Sean Mimo, your friendly bariatric surgeon. So how do you maintain an active lifestyle with exercise? Or we can go into all the technicalities with what you want to do, cardio or strength training or, strengthening your core and whatever types of exercise. But the main thing I find with exercise with my patients is actually doing it. Actually getting yourself to the gym 2-3 times a week. How do you keep that up? Well, two main things that I've found help with this. Number one is to have a structure. Give this a level of importance and priority in your life, and structure it into your life where you have it scheduled the same way that you have work scheduled. And we all know that it's not every day that you feel happy and great that you want to, and you're all excited that you want to go to work. It's the same way with exercise. It's not all the time you're going to be excited about going to exercise. But if you've structured it that it's a part of your schedule, you're most likely to go. The other thing is accountability. Have it where you're accountable to someone about going to exercise. An example for myself is that I'm a part of a tennis team where we get together, me and some other fellow doctors, to play doubles tennis. And I know that if I miss that, then one of the teams will be incomplete. And I know that one of the guys will call me and say, "Hey, Dr. Sean, where are you? Are you showing up today?" And in fact, if you're not going to show up, you have to call and find a replacement. So sometimes when I'm tired after having a long day, one of the things that keeps me still going to play my round of tennis is the fact that I know that I'm accountable to these guys. So put some structure in your exercise life. Get some accountability. It goes a long way.